Hello children, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. In previous class we have learned only the hours, that is full hours, right? So today we will learn the minutes, okay? Only the minutes we will learn, we will learn about the long hand, okay? So if the long hand is at 1, what is the time? If the long hand is at 2, what is the time? So that we are going to learn. Okay, so it is very easy, and if you know the table of 5, you can easily learn this time also. Okay, if you know the table of 5, you can easily learn this time. Okay, so here is what is the time shown here? It is 8 o'clock, right? The hour hand is at 8 and minute hand is at 12. So what is the time shown? What is the time shown here, children? It is 8 o'clock. So how we will write 8 o'clock, children? 8 2.00. So this tells you the hours and 2 dot, and this tells you the minute. Today we are going to learn only the minutes. Okay, so hour and minute, hours and minutes are separated by 2 dots. The hours and minutes are separated by 2 dots. Okay, so only we are going to learn this part, only the minute part today we are going to learn. First we will learn only the hand. If the long hand is at 1, what is the time? If the long hand is at 2, what is the time? Next we will see along with the hours. Okay, so if see now it is at 12, it is 8 o'clock. I have written. See here, children, the long hand is at 1. Okay, now what is the time? As I told you before, if you know the table of 5, it is very easy to learn this. Okay, so just multiply this number into 5. 5 ones are 5. So it is 5 minutes. What is the time? It is 5 minutes. Okay, it's the time. It is 5 minutes. Later we will learn this hours. Along with hours, I will teach you once again. Okay, so first we will learn only this minute hand. What is the time, children? It is just 5 minutes. If the minute hand is at 1, what is the time, children? Then it is 5 minutes. What is the time? It is 5 minutes, because we have to multiply this into 5. Or if you remember it, okay, fine. Or the minute hand is at 2. Now what is the time? Now tell me, 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10. So it is 10 minutes. What is the time, children? It is 10. What is the time? It is 10 minutes. Okay, understood, children? Next at 3. Okay, minute hand is at 3. What is the time? It is 15 minutes. 3 5s are 15. So it is 15 minutes, or you can tell it as quarter past, or you can tell it as quarter past. How we can tell it as, children? Quarter past. What you can tell, children? You can tell it as 15 minutes, or you can tell it as quarter past. When you have to tell it as quarter past? When the minute hand is at 3, it is quarter past. Okay, next, minute hand is at 4. If the minute hand is at 4, then what is the time? It is 4 5s are 20. So it is 20 minutes. It is 20 minutes. What is the time, children? It is 20 minutes. What is the time? It is 20. Next, if the minute hand is at 5. Okay, if the minute hand is at 5, what is the time? The time is 5 into 5. How much it is? 25 minutes. What is the time? It is 25 minutes. Okay, what is the time? It is 25 minutes. The minute hand is at 6. What is the time? 6 5s are 30. 6 5s are 30. So it is 30 minutes. 30 minutes, or you can tell it as half past. What you can tell? Half past. Okay, so 30 minutes means what you can tell? Half past. 30 minutes, what you can tell, children? You can tell it as half past. Minute hand is at 7. If the minute hand is at 7, the time is what? 7 5s are 35. 7 5s are 35. So it is 35 minutes. So it is 35 minutes. Okay. So if the hand is at 8, what is the time? 8 5s are 40. 8 5s are 40. So it is 40 minutes. It is 40 minutes. Okay. So it is 40 minutes. Okay children. If the minute hand is at 8, what is the time? Then it is 40 minutes. If the minute hand is at 9. If the minute hand is at 9, then the time is 9 5s are 45. 9 5s are 45, or you can tell it as quarter to. What you can tell? You can tell it as quarter to. Okay, you can tell it as quarter to. Okay, understood children? Either you can tell it as 45 minutes or you can tell it as what? Quarter to. Okay, so next, if the minute hand is at 10, the time is what? 10 5s are 50. 10 5s are 50. So it is 50 minutes. So it is 50 minutes. Okay, understood children? It is at 11. The time is what? 11 5s are 55. 11 5s are 55. You just write it as 55 minutes. Okay. So next is, if it is 60 minutes. 60 minutes. So 12 5s are 60 and 60 minutes makes 1 hour. So it will become 9 o'clock. Okay. Once again it will come there. Okay. It is equal to 60 minutes. 60 minutes equals 1 hour. It will come to the next hour. Okay. Is equal to 1 hour. So it will be the next time. What is the time here now? It is shown. It is 9 o'clock. You can tell it as 9 o'clock. Okay. So now we will see along with the hour hand. Okay. So the minute hand is at 12 and hour hand is at 9. What is the time? It is 9 o'clock. What is the time children? The minute hand is at 1 and hour hand is at 9. So what is the time now? 9 hours 5 minutes. What is the time children? It is 9 hours 5 minutes. That you can tell it as 9 5. Okay. You can tell it as 9 5. 9 hours and 5 minutes. What is the time children? It is 9 hours and 5 minutes. If the hour hand is at 9 and minute hand is at 1, what is the time it is? It is 9 hours 5 minutes. Okay, it is 9 hours and 5 minutes. That you can tell it has 9 5. Okay, so the next is the hour hand is at 9 and minute hand is at 2. 2 means what is the time? Minutes, tell me children. It is 10. 2 5s are 10. So it is 9 10. 9 hours and 10 minutes. 9 hours and 10 minutes. 9 hours and 9 hours and 10 minutes. Okay. Next, minute hand is at 3 and hour hand is at 9. What is the time? It is 9:15. What is the time children? It is 9:15. You can also tell it as quarter past 9. What is the time? You can tell it as quarter past 9. Okay. You can also tell it as quarter past 9. So here before I have told you only the quarter past, because we have done only we was learning only about the minute. So if it is 9:15, what you can tell it children? You can tell it as quarter past 9. What you can tell? You can tell quarter past 9. Okay. Next, if the minute hand is at 4 and hour hand is at 9. What is that? What is the time? It is 9 hours and 20 minutes. Okay. It is 9 hours and 20 minutes. Okay. It is 9 hours and 20 minutes. And next one, and is at 5 and hour hand is at 9. So what is the time? It is 25. It is 9 hours and 9:25 minutes. That is 9:25. That how we will write 9.25. So this is hours and this is minutes. Okay, this is hours and minutes. See, you can see here this hour and is also slowly moving. Okay, so when it comes to 6, this hour it will be between 10 and 9. Okay, it will be between 10 and 9. Okay, it will not be exactly at 9. It will be moving and it will be at the middle. Okay, it will be in the middle of 10 and 9. Okay, understood children? See here, you can observe now. See, it is not at 9. It is in the middle. Right, it is in the middle. See, it is in middle of 9 and 10. Okay, so if the minute hand is at 6 and hour hand is at 9, what is the time? The time is 9:30. What is the time, children? It is 9:30, or you can tell it as half past 9. What you can tell? You can tell it as half past 9 or 9:30. Okay. So the time is 9 hours 30 minutes. You can tell it as what? 9:30, or you can tell it as half past 9. Okay. So the next is, if the minute hand is at 7, what is the time? The time is 9:35. The hour hand is at 9 and minute hand is at 7. The time is 9:35. Okay. So the next one is at 8 and hour hand is at 9. So what is the time then? It is 9 hours and 40 minutes. It is 9 hours and 40 minutes. That you can write as 9:2.40. Okay. Understood children? The next. Okay. Now the minute hand is at 9 and the hour hand is at 9. So what is the time now? It is 9 hours and 45 minutes. That is 9:45. That is 9:45. That you can write it as 9 hours 45 minutes, or you can tell this as quarter to 10. Okay, you can't tell it as quarter to 9. Okay, then what you should tell? You should tell it as quarter to 10. Okay, you can either tell it as 9:45 or you should tell it as quarter to 10. The next hour you should tell. So there is a 15 minutes for 10 o'clock. We will tell in that way, right? So you can tell it as quarter to 10. Okay, understood children? 5 minutes for 5 o'clock. 10 minutes for 10 o'clock. So this is quarter to 10 means that is 15 minutes for 10 o'clock. We have 15 more minutes for 10 o'clock. So that way we can tell. Okay. Okay. If the minute hand is at 10, what is the time? It is 10 into 5. 9:50. What is the time, children? It is 9:50. Okay. Same way now, if the minute hand is at 11, what is the time? It is 9:55. 9:55, and as usual it is for the full hour. If the minute hand is at 12 and small hand is at 10. So now what is the time? It is 10 o'clock. What is the time? It is 10 o'clock. Okay, understood children? How you should write the time, how to know it. Okay, so these three things you have to keep it in your mind. If it is 9:50, what you have to tell? You have to tell it as, you can also tell it as quarter past 9. What you can tell, children? Quarter past 9. If it is 9:30, you can just tell it as half past 9. Okay, half past 9. Then if it is 9:45, then what you can tell? You can tell it as quarter to 10. Okay, quarter to 10. Same way, if it is 6:45, what you can say here? Quarter to 7. Next number should come quarter to 7. What is the time shown here, children? What is the time shown here? It is 10:15. So the hour hand is at 10 and the minute hand is at 5. What is the time shown? It is 10:15, or you can tell it as what? It is 10:15, or what you can tell, children? You can tell it as quarter past 10. What you can tell? You can tell it as quarter past 10. Same way. What is the time? It is 10:25. What is the time, children? 10:25. That is 10 hours and 25 minutes. Okay? 10 hours and 25 minutes. And is at 10 and minute hand is at 9. What is the time, children? It is 10:45, or you can tell it as what? Quarter to 11. What you can tell? You can just tell it as 10:45, or what you can tell? Quarter to what? 11. Okay? Understood, children? Children, page number 108, first main, you can do it as homework, children. Okay? So the heading is try to look at the clock and write down the time. Okay? So you read this and you can do it as homework. Next main, write the time shown. So here the time is shown, and what is the time shown, that you have to write it in this box. Okay? So here, see here, children, the hour and is at middle of the 4 and 5, and minute hand is at 6. Okay? So the minute hand is at 6. Then you should take the back number, that is 4:30. What is the time, children? Just write 4:2.30. What we can also tell it as? We can also tell it as 4:30. We can also tell it as 4:30. What is the time shown here? It is 4:30. So B1, children, the minute hand is at 6 and hour hand is at between 11 and 12. Okay, so you can see it is at 11. So the time is 11:30. What is the time, children? The time is 11:30. Okay, the time is 11:30, or you can tell it as 11:30. Okay. So the last one, children, F1, the minute hand is at 9 and hour hand is at 3. Okay, so it is in between 4, 3 and 4. So what is the time shown here, children? So it is what? 3:45. What is the time? It is 3:45. Okay, 3:45. Okay, understood, children? Or you can tell it as what? What you can tell? You can tell it as quarter to 4. You can tell it as quarter to 4. Okay, understood, children? But when you are writing, you have to write it as 3:45. So next matching also you can do it as homework, children. Okay, next remaining 3 clock you can write down the time. Okay, these 3 pages you can complete for today's homework. Okay, children, take care. Bye.